Hello friend, my name is Grace Ogioke. I like to call myself your number one do-it-yourself advocate. I advocate a lot for everyone to go acquire a skill, especially the women and youths in our country today. A skill that can empower you and create a source of income for you, even if you're already working. And today, I'd like for us to do a quick rundown on some of the items and equipment that you can use to start producing your own beauty and cleaning products, which is what I also teach. So the first item we're going to be looking at now is our hand gloves. If you watch any of my videos, I'm sure you notice that I always put on my hand gloves. Now this helps to protect your hands against any form of corrosive or hazardous effects of whatever chemical. Some of the chemicals we're actually going to be using for productions like this are corrosive in nature, so it's important you always wear a hand glove. Now the second on our list are measuring cups. This is essential, very important, because in doing productions like this, beauty and cleaning products, your measurement is key. We have 1 liter, 500 ml, 250 ml, 125 ml, and the likes of it. So here we have our digital measuring spoon. Comes in different sizes, a big one, a medium, and a small one. This really just helps you to weigh things digitally, and it's really nice. I always encourage my students to go for it. It plays its own role. And we also have a mini stick blender. I use it to whip things like my color, my medium size cream, or what kind of production I'm doing. And I always love how it brings out the production really smooth and nice. We also have another stick blender here. This is for larger quantities of production. I use it for my body cream, conditioners as well, and it is really nice. It gives your production a very good outcome. And now we have our silicone soap molds. I have different designs, different sizes. I'm sure you're seeing I have 6-in-1, 4-in-1 with different cavities in it. It brings about different designs in your soap. I have the block mold here as well, and these are part of things you're also going to be learning in our training. And I also have the wooden soap mold. This is really fun. I love working with this because it enables you to work in a larger soap quantity. Once you're done, you bring it out, cut in sizes, and you allow the soap to cure. Very nice, very affordable as well. And then we also have our funnel. We have the big size, the small size. Basically this just helps you to pour in whatever production, especially the liquid productions you have in your containers, smoothly. So what we have here is called a heat gun. It helps you seal your productions. This actually releases heat, which enables you to seal your products to make it have a good look. I'm sure you've seen some of these products that have this tamper proof on it. This is what helps to achieve that. Or you want to pack your products maybe in a dozen or a number of 12 or 24 in a nylon. This actually helps you to seal it around to make it look more professional. It comes in different nozzles to have the different kind of sealing you want. And then last but not the least is our turning stick. This I have used for a number of months. I actually like it. It helps me do my production manually. Basically it does almost the same thing your stick blender does, but this just helps you do your production electronically while this does manually. Even if at all you can't probably buy any of the items you see here or equipment, trust me, you can start up with this. You can buy it from any of the Nigerian markets. It's very affordable. It can help you do your productions like your liquid soap, your Izal, your germicides, and the likes of it. So I actually encourage you not to procrastinate about this. You can start. These are all low budget equipments. It's not something to scare you. It's just things that will help you have a very good and smooth production. And like I said, I actually teach people how to acquire these skills, beauty and cleaning products. Currently I teach 48 different beauty and cleaning products. I encourage you to join my institute. Come and empower yourself, come and have another source of income and be a better version of yourself. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to seeing you in my institute. And like I'll always tell you, my name is Grace Ogioke, and keep being yourself. Thank you.